At Teak Works For You, we offer handcrafted teak bath products in standard and custom sizes that are safe, stylish, and functional, so you don't have to sacrifice the look of your dream bathroom. We work with people just like you every day to create handcrafted teak bath products that turn a so-so bath into a wow bathroom. We specialize in mats, benches, folding seats, and ADA benches for both inside and outside of your shower. Is safety a concern for you or a loved one in the bathroom area? Is style also something that is important to maintain? Since teak is slip, rot, and mold resistant, it is perfect for preventing falls in wet or humid environments, while still adding a spa feel. Our most popular products include our natural teak transfer seats that provide a beautiful homey look rather than an institutional one. All of our teak products are built in the U.S. using only the highest grade teak available. At Teak Works For You, we consistently achieve 5-star ratings due to our high quality standards backed by our top-notch customer service. To learn more about Teak Works For You standard and custom handcrafted teak bath products today, visit teakworksforyou.com or call 1-866-969-8325. Let Teak Works For You handcraft a teak mat or bench for you.